All right, guys, this is my review of the new Feb's 4 camera security system with 5G. It's got a 1 terabyte hard drive, so it's actually going to be recording video. It's got night vision as well as day vision, so it's going to be able to see things no matter what. And it's Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi enabled. So here's what we're going to do. My name is Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. Today, I'm going to unbox this, and I'm not a techie guy, so we're going to see, can I set this up in my home? So first of all, I'm just going to show you what we're working with. We're working with a box here. It comes nicely packaged, and it's very padded, so you're not going to have any damage. It's got the antennas on the back. It has a record button on the front, so it's going to let you know when it's recording. It's got an alarm light, and it's got a power light, so it's going to let you know those two things. All right, so that's the box itself. And then we'll just unbox one of the cameras so you can at least see what, get all of them out. All right. So the camera comes in it. Each camera comes in its own box. Okay, so the camera's cool. It's nice and sturdy, and it's super flexible, so you can angle it any way. And it is mountable, so you've got those screws there at the base of it. That's going to allow you to either, mount it on the side of your house or in the corner of a room or whatever you want to do. If you're using this in like a factory or a warehouse, it's gonna be a super breeze. So you can angle it any way you want. You can screw it in and then just clamp it down. Screw it down and it'll hold. So that's the camera itself. That's one of them. There's going to be 4 of those. And then we're going to, there's one more box of stuff. All right, cool. Here's the antennas for each camera. So let's see. Oh, here we go. Okay. See, I'm a non-techie guy, and we're just seeing, can this non-techie dude figure this out? That's part of the challenge. Dude, it's easy. So the antennas literally just screw right onto the back of the camera itself, and then they just, that's what's going to connect it. That antenna is what's going to connect it to this box. All right, so we've got 4 of those antennas with the other 4 cameras. I'm not going to bother getting those out right now. We've got an Ethernet cord if we need that. We also have power supplies, power cord supply to each camera, so those are going to need to be powered. And it's got a really long cord that attaches to it. It's nice and wrapped up here, but you can see it's a very long cord. So that's going to come in handy for attaching the camera. All right, so all we'll do here is basically the outlet cord, the power cord, just attaches into the white cord from the camera. So that's how that works, times 4. I'm not going to bother showing you that 4 times. And then we have the power supply for the device itself, for the box. So that's just going to plug into the back there. Here's what we're going to do. That's the unboxing basically. And then we do have a mouse. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this all together, see if I can get it, and then I'm going to show you if an untechy guy like me can figure this out. All right, guys, so I've got the cameras fully set up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I still got to do a couple things like put my username and password in. Don't worry about that. But you can see that the cameras are all linked up. All I needed to do was have an Ethernet going to my wireless router or my internet. So I have the Ethernet coming in from there. I have an HDMI going out to a monitor. I have the mouse plugged in right there, here. and then I've got the power switch. All I had to do was plug all the cameras into the wall. They are automatically connected to this, and if you can see, they are recording and they're showing up live. I just got a couple. These two are pointed at the ceiling. I think that's pointed at a wall, and this you can kind of see is coming out from the ground. So they're all recording. I'm an idiot as far as technology goes, especially something like this, working with servers, setting up, security cameras. Like, I've never done it before, and it was so ridiculously easy. Honestly, once I had the monitor and plugged it in, it took me 30 seconds and the cameras were up and running. It's automatic. I highly recommend this based on that, whether you're looking for a little additional security at home or you're looking for additional security at your warehouse or office. This is a super easy system. It's not complex at all. Anybody can do it, even an idiot like me. Take my word for it.